So now we will discuss some fluid mechanics questions. Here is the first one. Solid wooden board with thickness length L and the width is placed in a soap solution. Length is parallel to x-axis along x direction. Here we have the tension is given as a function of x T naught plus alpha x. This is the particular diagram. Density of wood is given and we have to find out the acceleration of block when it is near end passes through origin. So we will use the fluid dynamic equation to solve this question. Now the question number 2, it says two spherical empty region is uniform and infinitely intergalactic gas cloud of density rho. As a result of the gravitational effect, the empty region will more what? Actually, this is C1, C2, that two circle points. They will come together each other by the equations. So it is a simple one case of basic fluid statics. Now, as far as we talk about question number 3, it is given a hemispherical container and a small hole at the top of container. Water is poured into it. Exactly when the container gets filled, water starts leaking between table and edge of container. Density of water is given rho, radius is given r. So we have to find the correct statements. So this is the particular diagram of this. Here this equation we will use and we will get the required option A and C. Next is a surface tension question, isothermal conditions. Two R1, R2 form a single bubble of a radius r, external pressure, surface tension will be. So it is P1 V1 plus P2 V2 equal to PV. PV is actually constant here. So we will derive this equation and it come out to be option number B. Now the next one is next one is like a particular fluid density rho is immersed a solid hemisphere of density rho by 2 radius r. We have to find the force of the lower half of the hemisphere by the fluid. So it is a curvilinear force which will act towards. Firstly, we have to take the flat force minus buoyancy force. So pi capital R cube rho g minus 1 upon 3 pi capital R rho g, capital R cube rho g. So by that equation we will get 2 by 3 pi r cube rho g in j cap direction. Now this is a good question of like fluid dynamics. Here we have to use angle of contact is given, surface tension is given. We have to find the thickness. So the answer come out to be 2.3 actually. This is the whole question. Question number 6. This one question is from a soap bubble concept of different radii. Actually, some portion of surface make a common surface. At any point of circumference of common surface, there are three angles. This is the particular diagram of this. The three angles, we have to find the relation between the three angles. So actually, these are the options. Here, after solving from the Bernoulli's equation, we will get alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. Now, this is a question number 8, a cubical block question. Here we have to put just the equation of this m0 plus mg equal to buoyancy force plus f of s. So here after substituting the value we will get the 4 kg required things. Now this is also, now this is a comprehension. You can try this passage. There are 2 passages, 4 question. The concept is from viscosity. Alright, thank you so much.